Okay, in this video, we're going to talk through how to import new rosters to Sideline's roster manager, but do so from an existing photo mechanic code replacements file. So I have a code replacements file here for the UK men's basketball team for this season. You can see we've got short codes and then obviously all of these values for all of the players. Sideline makes roster management really easy because it brings everything all in one place. Chances are, if you've used code replacement files, they're great, they're wonderful, but you probably have text files scattered all over the place for all sorts of teams, and you got to copy and paste and move them back and forth, and it's just really easy to get disorganized. Well, that's why we made the roster manager. So I have this file. Let's just pop on over into Sideline, and I'll hit Edit Matchups to see all of my teams and rosters here. So this is for UK men's basketball, so I'm just going to say New Roster 2025-26 basketball team, and I'll choose UK as a prefix. So we create the roster. Wonderful, but it's completely empty. Now, in previous videos, I've showed you how you can add people manually, but let's be honest, that takes a lot of time. I don't want to do that. I want to import from this file that I already have. Well, it's super easy. You click the import button. We want to say we want it from photo mechanic code replacement file, and then I'll just open up and verify this is the file we want to use. So I will hit import, and it will ask you if you already have data in a roster. It'll say, hey, do you want to add on to it, or do you just want to replace what's there? In this case, the roster is completely empty, so it doesn't matter. So I'll just hit append, and you will see it creates all of these entities with number, their names, their positions, and then it'll show you a preview of what that would look like. But it doesn't just do players, it does custom entities that don't have jersey numbers associated with them. So in this case, this could be phrases that you use really often, whether that's the name of the school, a venue, or even phrases like, first half, second quarter, ninth inning, that kind of thing. You can add those as custom entities. Once you have several custom entities that you've used, you'll see this little icon here, and it will give you suggestions for commonly used ones that you seem to like to use a lot. So as you're creating new rosters, you can just speed up your process that way. So that is how to import from a code replacement file from Photo Mechanic, but bring all of those into the roster manager in Sideline. Keep all of your stuff in one place and make your captioning even easier.